I'm James Peters, Product Manager at Nureva, and today I'll walk you through how to install the HDX System Hub. Before getting started, review the HDX User Guide for placement recommendations. This will help you choose the ideal mounting locations for all the HDX system components in your room. The HDX System Hub comes with a mounting bracket, a Bluetooth antenna, a remote control, a power supply with power cable, a USB and Euroblock connectors for integrating any third-party devices. You'll need Cat5e Ethernet cable to make the final connections. The System Hub can be placed on a tabletop or a shelf in a server rack, or it can be mounted on a wall. Maintain at least 2.2 inches or about 6 centimeters of clearance around all side vents to ensure proper airflow, prevent overheating, and support efficient cooling. On top of the System Hub, allow approximately 3.4 inches or about 9 centimeters of clearance to ensure adequate heat dissipation. If you are placing the System Hub in a server rack or on a shelf, be mindful of the surface beneath it. Make sure the hub is not resting on or positioned above a heat source. Additionally, avoid installing the System Hub in environments where the ambient temperature exceeds 40 degrees Celsius or about 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, we'll attach the Bluetooth antenna. If you want to physically disable Bluetooth, you can leave the antenna off. If you choose not to install it, make sure the protective cap stays in place. For full HDX functionality, you'll need to attach the antenna. Start by placing one hand on top of the System Hub to ground yourself. Carefully remove the antenna's protective cap while avoiding touching the connector, especially the inner pin, as it can damage the antenna. Now, gently thread the antenna onto the connector until it's secure. You can adjust the antenna's orientation as needed. Wherever the System Hub is installed, make sure the antenna ends up in an upright position for best performance. If you're placing the System Hub on a table or a shelf, you can now skip ahead to our other video that shows you how to connect the System Hub. But if you prefer to mount the System Hub on a wall, then there are a few additional steps you'll need to complete first. For more information on the required tools for installation, refer to the HDX User Guide. When the System Hub is mounted on a wall, it will hang from one of the short ends and extend down the wall vertically. The mounting bracket will be at the highest point, so ensure you have enough space beneath it for the System Hub. Hold the mounting bracket against the wall in the chosen location and mark your drill points. Remove the bracket, drill the holes where you marked and insert the wall anchors. Then, place the mounting bracket back on the wall and securely fasten it with screws. Finally, slide the System Hub onto the mounted bracket to clip it in place. Your System Hub is now securely mounted to the wall. Make sure the antenna has room to be turned upright and the status indicator lights face forward for easy visibility. Now you have your System Hub installed as well as the other components, you can proceed with connecting and setting up your HDX system. Check out our video that shows you how to do that. To explore all the features of your Nureva HDX system, be sure to check out our user guide.